Hello, everyone. I wanted to take some time just to let you know that we are praying for you with all that's going on, and also wanted to just remind you that we're going to be offering our regular service opportunities online through our social media platforms, as well as our church app, and you'll be able to access the service for our normal times of 11 o'clock in the morning and 6 p.m. in the evening. And we hope that not only will you be able to join us, but that you could share this invite. We truly believe that during these unprecedented times that we're going through, people are looking for hope, people are looking for some answers, and they're looking for peace. And that's what the message is going to be on, actually. Going to be talking about the choice of peace, the peace that God provides. And we truly believe that God has something for you to hear and to be encouraged with, as well as somebody else. And so I also wanted to just take an opportunity to let you know that even though the church is not having in-person services and other activities being canceled on the church building grounds, the church is still here for you. If you have needs that we need to know about that are in connection what's going on with the virus, I would like to know personally so that I could then facilitate those needs and pass the information on to the appropriate person. You could get in touch with me directly, whether it be through the church Facebook app, messenger app, or by emailing me directly at ray@crossroadsny.org. And I would be happy to receive that message, whether it's to pray for you or to hear about something that might be of a need for you right now. We encourage all of you to take all the precautionary measures necessary. I know that there are different schools of thought with this, that just have faith and everything's going to be okay. And talking with Jen, we were thinking nobody just goes and stands in the middle of Newdorp Lane or Highland Boulevard when oncoming traffic is coming and going, God's going to protect me. We have to use wisdom and prudence. And we encourage all of you to do that right now. Take the measures that are necessary. We're going to have links on our website as well that you could go to that just remind all of us, even some things we know about, some things we may not be aware of that we could do to protect us. But most importantly, we are trusting God for refuge and His coverage through this time. And again, we want you to know that we are praying for you and praying that God would use this. And so we look forward to seeing you online and watching the messages together. And so may God bless you, and may He bless all of the churches that are reaching out and using this opportunity to advance the gospel and to love people, especially those who have been affected. Thank you.